Kasi sira lahat ang bahay ko.
Ito,
Ito, papunta lang sa may kapayan dito. May was out talaga yan.
was out. Noong Huwebes ng gabi, pumunta kami sa school ABTC. Doon kami nag-evacuate. Nang umuwi kami galing sa doon sa paralan, nakita namin wala ng bahay.
Following the havoc wrought by Typhoon Yolanda on the Visayas region of the Philippines, many families in the affected areas struggled to live. Their homes were washed out. Food and drinks were in very limited supply, and many of their loved ones were lost in the storm. During Philippine Bible Society's mission trip to the affected areas last May, the team, which included volunteers from the Bible Society of Singapore, visited the town of Basay in the province of Samar with Ms. Chacha Atabanao from Resources for the Blind Incorporated, or RBI. There they met a visually impaired young boy named Jasper Corrales, who, with his family, was then living with relatives in the government no-build zone.
Po si Betsaida Toscano Corrales, nanay po ni Jasper Corrales. Noong Huwebes ng gabi, pumunta kami sa school ABTC. Doon kami nag-evacuate. Doon lang kami doon lang kami sa baba, sa unang kwarto. Mabuti na lang nung dumating ng tubig, nakalabas kami at nagtakbuhan kami papuntang second floor. Kasi kung hindi kami nakalabas, matratrap kami doon kasi pag sabi ng iba, kung nandun na yung tubig, hindi na mabubuksan yung pinto.
As the storm drew closer to their location, Jasper's mom, Betsaida, decided to bring him and his sister to the nearest evacuation center. When the storm passed, Betsaida decided to take her children home, only to find out that it had been wiped out.
Nang umuwi kami galing sa doon sa paralan, nakita namin wala ng bahay.
After losing their home, the family decided to move in with relatives in the government no-build zone. The group also met the Odayats, another family from Basay with visually impaired children.
Sabi ko noon na magano lang ako. Kahit anong magawa ko, basta mag-iipon, gano'n makagawa lang ako ng bahay. Kasi sira lahat ang bahay ko. Ito, papunta lang sa may kapayan dito. May was out talaga yan.
Nonoy Odayat is the father of Mark Angelo and Angelica, who are both visually impaired. When Typhoon Yolanda had passed, the Odayats were forced to stay in a makeshift dwelling after the storm swept away their house. When the team met both families, they provided relief packs to meet some of the family's immediate needs. PBS Associate General Secretary Perry Cartera also led the team in praying for both families during the visit. But the Bible Society's assistance to them did not stop there. Following a quick assessment of the Corrales and the Odayat situations, PBS through the help of the United Bible Societies and other national Bible societies, forged a partnership with RBI to provide permanent housing structures for the two affected families.
Papasalamat po kami sa Philippine Bible Society at sa Resources for the Blind at sa lahat ng mga kasama, lalong-lalo na sa Panginoon. Maraming salamat po.
Una sa lahat, yung magpasalamat ako sa Panginoon at saka yung RBI, CBN, lahat, Philippine Bible Society at saka sa inyong lahat, ma'am. Yung pasalamat ko na hindi ko akalain na magkakaroon ako ng bahay na ganito.
Finally, on November 19, 2014, PBS General Secretary Dr. Nora Lucero, along with Ms. Tabanao of RBI, visited the Corraleses and the Odayats in their respective houses to spend some time to fellowship with them. Dr. Lucero and her team also prayed for both families, praising God for His wonderful blessings in their lives.